Our Bloomin Soil is specially made for that time when your plants are getting ready to bloom. I get a lot of questions of when can I use the blooming part of your product line, and it's with any plants that bloom. So that could be your vegetables, your fruits, it could be your just animals that you want to thrive. We've used them in all different cases, and it really does help trigger blooming. It helps increase the number of blooms. And the soil here is more of a slow release option. So you use it with our bloom juice, and the bloom juice has the microbes that break down the ingredients in here and bring them to your plants. So what is our Bloomin Soil? It is not a potting mix. You don't plant directly in this. You actually only use up to 20% of a mix with this. You can mix it with coco coir. You can mix it with any regular potting mix. You can top dress your garden soil too with it. You can put it in the hole with your plants as you plant them, but you don't use this to just plant in. So 2 pounds actually goes a really long way, depending on the size of what you're planting or potting. And so this soil here, it has a worm casting base. So that's where all the good microbes in here are coming from. It's also got good nutrients and organic matter in our worm castings. Also added to that is things like seabird guano and bat guano that have natural sources of potassium and phosphorus. And then it also has volcanic ash in there too. Volcanic soil is one of the most fertile soils in our world that naturally occurs. And so all of these are supplying great nutrients for your plants, provide a great medium for them to grow in. You just need to combine this with something else or top dress them up to an inch layer. And you can even add more later on as you see it breaking down. But it does last quite a while out there in your pots. And so anytime you would change your soil, that's when you would need more of this.